Hi everyone, this is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. This is the second part of the portrait drawing, Willem Dafoe. It's about creating a big volume, quite simple because you can obviously see the dark flow which make the person automatically 3 dimensions. So I want to show you how I create the depth and the atmosphere that is embracing the person. Even though it's a second part of the drawing, you can watch this drawing separately, but you can also watch the previous video that shows how I created this sketch based on the Loomis method. When you see the reference photo, you will definitely notice that sun rays from his left side, so he get very bright light on his frontal face and definitely on his left side of the face. But the opposite side, the right part of his head, is made a very big shadow. So it makes then the dark flow that helps us to create a 3-dimensional drawing. So today I'm going to finish this drawing. So please stay with me and watch the drawing process until the end. Already the dark flow is made, but then we need to go in details, and especially as he aged, he has wrinkles and lines on his face. So I will show you how I create all the wrinkles on the surface, which is his skin. And I will also refine the dark flow so that it's not rough anymore. So this dark finish here on his nose top already make here a small room. So it means his nose tip is standing from his face. So you can feel the small room between the nose and his face. So now I'm going to depict the face lines. This is will be made when you are smiling and laughing. So this is the natural laugh line. I would say I wouldn't do, like draw a line like this, but I will divide some curves so that it will be a curvy line at the end, but not like this kind of curvy line from the beginning, but I will divide like at the from beginning and the middle one. But we have to choose the right point that it curves, otherwise it will be too wide or too narrow. It will be on a wrong place. Then it will change the facial characteristic a lot. So this part is also the muscle and skin part that get reflections light. A little bit underneath goes in so that this part will be made. It shouldn't be too strong like this main dark flow. The lines shouldn't be too deep or too strong or too dark. So there are a lot of things that you have to consider. But if you keep this strong dark flow still more than inside, you can have the successful final result. And now we can create his forehead lines. We can count them about five forehead lines. This is not finished. We just made or gave place where we can draw the lines, but they never should be homogeneous. So each of them has different strength, different thickness, and different curve. It shouldn't be like a regular distance or same form, because it's nature. Nature has found already from the beginning what is natural, what is beautiful. So if such things are too artificial, it's not beautiful. So artificial means man-made. It's about mechanical pattern or mechanical form, but nature is never mechanical. So really as natural as possible. There are also some lines on the lips. So I still could keep the big shadow and the big dark flow. Inside of the darkness, you must depict, but still less dark or less strong than the dark flow. If you feel like it came too strong, then you can weaken this. Of course, from here until the back head, it's maybe about 20 centimeter at a person, but we can also we can imagine that this distance is like 2 meter. So in this way, you can create a room atmosphere that go round and round. If you imagine that there is a room, there is air around of him or around of the person, then you will somehow create a better 3 dimensions and give a life in it. So it's not just about, on a plane with, some line works, but it's really a life inside. So imagine that you are creating something in a space, in a real physical space. You will build up, you will sculpt this person. If you imagine that way, your drawing will be much more lively and much more see the different result. Thank you so much for being with me until the end of the process, and I hope it has helped you and you have enjoyed the process with me, and I will see you on another video. Thank you. I will see you next time. Bye.